Hey there! So, imagine you're working on a project and you encounter a little regex problem. The issue is that you need your regex to match certain patterns, but the one you've tried so far isn't quite doing the trick. You need it to match lines like example line, example line, example line, and example line. It's a bit of a tricky problem, isn't it? The solution to this problem lies in modifying your regex pattern. You can achieve the desired outcome by using the following pattern. *+. This pattern effectively captures the text between forward slashes, while also accounting for the optional slashes at the beginning and end of the line. Pretty neat, right? In summary, we tackled a regex problem where we needed to match specific patterns within lines of text. By adjusting the regex pattern to *+, we were able to successfully capture the desired text while accounting for variations in the placement of forward slashes. I hope this solution helps you out in your own regex adventures. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!